Alright, welcome again to my channel today. My name is Kenneth. So I've been talking about cancer. Today I'll be talking about the advantages and disadvantages of chemotherapy for cancer patients, then comparing it to using quantum energy support. So join me in my slide. Let me explain further. Alright, let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of using chemotherapy for cancer versus using quantum energy cellular support. Now, what is chemotherapy? It is the use of strong medicines to kill cancer cells. So since cancer cells grow and multiply very fast, chemo medicines are designed to attack fast-growing cells in the body. Now, how does it work? Think of cancer cells as weeds growing too fast in a garden. So chemo is like a powerful weed killer. It sprays across the whole garden to kill the weeds, which is the cancer cells. One defect here is that it will not only kill the cancer cells, it will also kill the healthy cells, which is the hair cells, skin cells, and stomach cells. Alright, let's talk about chemotherapy. It attacks cancer cells directly because it is designed to shrink or kill cancer cells in the body. So it can reach the whole part of the body, unlike surgery that removes just one area. Sometimes shrinks tumors before surgery, which makes other treatments easier and more effective. Can increase survival chances for many cancers. It helps people live longer. Now, how about the disadvantages? It affects healthy, fast-growing cells too. Causes side effects like hair loss, nausea, fatigue, mouth sores. It weakens the immune system because it also affects blood cells that fight infection. It kills both cancerous cells and healthy cells. It can leave lasting tiredness, nerve pain, or other body changes. This procedure might not work for everybody because some cancers resist chemo or may come back after treatment. Now, I want to discuss the difference between chemotherapy and quantum energy support so you can decide which one is best for you. So, chemo uses strong medicines that kill fast-growing cells, while quantum support uses gentle energy or light that recharges and repairs cells. Chemo attacks both cancer cells and healthy cells. Quantum support strengthens weak cells and telomeres. Chemo kills both cancer cells and good cells, while quantum supports weak, damaged cells and encourages natural healing. Chemo improves survival chances, while quantum supports energy, boosts wellness, improves blood circulation and oxygen. Chemo can cause loss of hair, nausea, immune weakness, and fatigue, while quantum support has no side effect because it supports natural healing. Chemo experience is always painful with regular hospital visits, while quantum support is very gentle, relaxing. It can be even operated at home. Even though chemo destroys cancer cells, but they still grow back. But quantum support will strengthen the body so it can heal and repair itself naturally. Alright, in summary, chemotherapy is a fighter that kills cancer cells but also damages healthy cells. Quantum support is a healer that repairs weak cells and makes the body stronger from the inside. So I encourage you to try our quantum energy machine today to flush out the dead cells, reactivate the weak cells, and then give your body the power to self-heal itself again. Alright, so I've been able to explain how chemotherapy works. The best it can do for you to extend your life, but it cannot guarantee curing the cancer. So the best approach is definitely to look for what, like I explained, will rejuvenate your cells and completely kill the cancer cells, and then let the good, healthy cells regenerate in your system. And with that, over time, the cancer cells will no longer be in your body. All right, so if you need help on how to go about this, you can reach out to me. Thank you.